Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. Well, in my past, I've been associated with different companies because of the fact that if I like their product, I want to be an associate with them. Well, in this case, I've been a Tyent water system customer for almost 3 years, and I have a ACE11 system that I've had for 3 years now, and everybody wants clean water. I have well water, so I don't have chlorine and whatever stuff they put in the water treatment plant. So I don't really have too much of an issue with keeping my water pure. But I've also got a water filtration system coming from the well. I got into the health kick back 3 years ago, and I got looking at alkaline water. And they say the alkaline water is really, really good for you. So I was looking for water systems that would provide you with alkaline, and I came across Tyent. So I went ahead and I purchased the ACE11 system. Well, of course, now it's time to buy new filters. Okay, we're talking it's a two system water system, and they're $129 for the two filters. They are, so I'm going to get a little more specific on those filters. Let's see, 79, countertop filters. Okay, let's go with, jump in there real quick and we'll talk about them. Got a first stage filter and a second stage filter. Let's see. They are a 0.01 micron, same micron as a kidney dialysis machine has. Dual set filters are your set your water at 99.9% pure water. That's just it's your regular pH balance. Okay, pH is the different levels of water. Basically water content. 7 is neutral, and then you start going negative, which start adding acidity to the water, and then you go the other direction, which you go with positive. So that's where you start going into your alkaline levels. Primary ACF fiber, active carbon fiber, removes rust, chlorine, and VOC pluses. Secondary composite ceramic filter with an ion ceramic to create electrolysis. The Tyent Ultra filter set for the ACE11 uses the 0.01 micron filtration level, the same that is used for kidney dialysis. Ultra Plus filtration ensures the purest, healthiest, and safest alkaline water available on Earth. So you work your way up in your alkalinity, and I did work myself up to 11. in the alkalinity water. So there you go. The cost on a system, I'm going to have to write that down, 055-855-893-6887. That's customer service, so I'm going to make sure to do that. So right now I'm currently ordering the filters again for it, and I can't remember how many gallons of water I got out of that thing, but I was getting a whole bunch of it to share with people. So and it's a portable system. It sits right on your counter, and then it's plugged into your faucet. So there you go. I will do a video on installing these filters as soon as I get one. And if you're interested, there will be a link in the bottom of this video that you can check out all the Tyent water filtration systems. So, you know, if you're drinking town water, you might want to get one of these, and then you're backed up, and then you can use the options of different water settings. Let's see. Let's go with I'll go quick over your settings. What we have. Where is it? Because it goes from one to the other. This particular mine is the ACE11. It's got 11 solid mesh hybrid platinum, should I say? Let's see. The okay, we have 3 alkaline levels and 3 acidic levels. Which one is this one? This is 13. Extreme molecule. Okay. So I'm going to go all the way out. Where is mine? See if I can find mine. Because they've jumped now from an 11 to a 13. Which means basically it's your plates. Alright. Okay, there's your different alkalinities. Your first alkalinity will be 8.5 pH. Second is 9. Third is 9.5. You got hydroclean, which is neutral, and that's 7.2 pH. Then you go to your acidic side of the house, where 6 pH, 5 pH, 4 pH. And you got all these other settings in between. But if you read up on the different pH levels, you get an idea of what I'm talking about. I'll do more down the road. I do have several videos of me unboxing this unit, so I'll find those and make sure these are connected. But we will get I need to order these filters. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next Around the House. And this is about the Tyent water systems.